Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail, and I'm pretty excited to open this one. This is something I got using eBay bucks, and I actually got this below spot, and I don't think you're going to really believe that I did, but I did. And it's not too often I buy something like this. This is usually considered premium property, and generally speaking, what I stay away from. But when you can get something like this below spot, I think you have to pull the trigger. It's really a no-brainer. So what is it? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so they sent it in a pretty big envelope. The device is actually pretty small, but let's go ahead and got some tear and pull tabs here. Let me go ahead and just tear that off instead of threatening myself with a pair of dull scissors. So let me go ahead and take a peek inside. I'm sure there's probably an invoice in here. You can see it's right there. Looks like it's a rubber band in there. So well, they certainly shipped it. Some nice packaging. I love it when they wrap things up nice. Oh, look at that. It's a nice padded envelope. That certainly can be saved for later use for sure. Alright, so there we go. It's wrapped up very nicely. Let me see if I can bring my camera down a little bit closer. I think we have a little bit of space there to do that. Okay. And let me unwrap this. Looks like we've got ourselves an invoice here, so let me take that out of here. And we do. And I will set that aside for now. Along with this nice rubber band they sent. Are you ready for this? This is unbelievable. This is really, really cool. Boom! Look at that. A 1987 Constitution PF70 Ultra Cameo. So let me look at the actual description of it. It is a Gold Commemorative Constitution. So $5 proof Gold Commemorative Constitution, sorry. So this is a commemorative proof coin. And yes, receive this below spot. And I'll give you the number momentarily, but let's take a look. So you can see it's NGC certified. And I think with these, to see the back, we have to flip it like that. Gotta watch my reflection there. It's a pretty shiny coin and case. But look at that. We the people, United States of America. $5. And the $5 American Gold Eagles, I believe, are 1/10 ounces. But on the commemoratives, they're 1/4 of an ounce. So this is a 1/4 of an ounce coin. And again, let's take a look at the front side. Trying to get my light reflection off of it. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a proof coin. And it's an eagle with a feather. 1987. You can see here PF70. PF stands for proof. And one of the cool things you can do is you can go to NGC. You can look up that serial number, and they'll tell you what it is that they graded with that serial number. Now I think this is old enough that there was no pictures. Most of the time you can see a picture of it as well. But this did show what it was graded. They said it was a $5 Constitution coin. It was graded PF70. So before I spent the money, I went to NGC's website and I looked it up to see what it was that they graded. And so that's what it was. Oops, I gotta flip it around this way. And yeah, look at that, folks. Very, very nice. What a great looking coin. So let's talk about the numbers here for a minute. So again, I told you I got this below spot using eBay bucks. And for those of you who don't use eBay bucks, you really should. It's a great way to get coins on sale. And how it works is that you don't actually get the discount when you buy, you pay the full price, but then eBay credits to your account, and after a quarter, meaning 3 months, after 3 months, everything that you've accumulated, they send you a coupon code for. You can go back out and buy anything you want with it. There's no restrictions on it. So if you got $100, you can go buy silver, gold, whatever, and if it only costs $100, you basically get it for free because you're cashing in your $100 coupon. Now, as you know, you didn't get it for free technically because it was the money that you got off from other things, but it's a great way to save money. In my last video I posted, I got that Geiger Gold for $100 off. It's a 5 grand Geiger Gold square bar. Beautiful. I mean, what a perfect use of the eBay bucks as far as I'm concerned. So because of the 10% eBay bucks that was offered to buy this coin, I was able to get this coin $16.11 below spot. That's right, a graded, perfect PF70 Ultra Cameo coin for $16.11 below spot. I mean, when have you ever heard of that? I mean, it's wild to even get a regular Bullion coin non-graded $16 below spot, but a graded, perfect PF70 coin. I'm just in awe by that. And again, I generally don't buy graded coins. I'm a stacker and I try to get things as cheap as possible. But why would you not get a graded coin for $16 below spot? And I have to thank Losing Louie. If you don't follow him on YouTube, you should. And during the videos, he talks about deals. And he posted a video with eBay Bucks deals, and he had a link to eBay where the search had pulled up a lot of different items. So it wasn't just the one item, the way he posted the link. It pulled up all these different items that qualified for eBay bucks. And this was one of them. Or I was able to get to it through one of those. So I have to tell you, Louis, thank you. Keep doing those videos. Those are very informative videos. And they help out a lot for people who are looking for the deals. And sometimes they're hard to find because regular coins and bullion, there's a category in eBay that doesn't qualify for eBay bucks, but if people put these in different categories, then they qualify. And so Louis is able to find those things for us and post a link. So really appreciate it, Louis. So what do you guys think, huh? Is this a fantastic looking piece of gold or what? I mean, look at how shiny that thing is. Look at that proof. Just a beauty. And let's flip it over to the other side. Take a look at that. And wow. Now that's a mirror finish. It's hard to pick up on this camera, but the black behind the feather, behind the lettering, that's a mirror finish. That's what the Ultra Cameo means. This Ultra Cameo means a mirror finish. Means it's about as shiny as it can be. And of course it's difficult to pick up on the camera, but it's in the background of the seagull too. Just an absolutely gorgeous coin. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content. I think you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.